So, last time I said I was gonna fight Peppy. I got everything I need. This dude is so hard. Like, if you've never played this game, you just don't understand. Uh-oh. We were redoing that, and that was horrible. You always gotta watch out for the light ones. They're really annoying. Well, let's go. No, got the dogs. Oh, there. That's. Oh, wow. Oh. Come on. Oh my gosh, there we go. Yeah, that doesn't even get hits. Oh wait, how close was I? Oh my gosh, that was so close. There we go. Ooh. Oh, the ducks almost got me there. There we go. What? Why did you do that? Oh my gosh. That's embarrassing. I didn't even make it to the third stage. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that was incredibly fast. Oh, well, no, stupid. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm not gonna get the parries in this fight, and I can honestly care less. Good. Oh, don't die to the big ones. There we go. I've played Peppy in 2-player, and it's a whole lot harder. So, you know. There we go. Okay, not good. But, like, whatever. I'll take a B. That's probably the best I'll be able to do, since, being honest, if you're trying to beat it, like, I don't know. I kind of do want to get more themed, like more shots. So, like more shots and stuff. I know you can go back here. That's one of the things I know. It's like an Easter egg, or like one of these secret paths you can do. Can I like secret path? Yeah. So we're gonna need to get the lobber before we fight the dragon. Oh, when did I get 4 parries in a row? Would that be at the ghost? I think it might be at the ghost. I don't know. But I think, yeah, we get one for showing them the path. Yeah. I'm gonna try and beat this without doing any. Uh, okay. Dun, dun, dun. I love this music. Oh, I think I have to beat this wall. No. Oh my gosh, you can go through it. That's actually kind of clutch. Oh, can't. Okay, I guess I can't get perfect on it, but like. Oh my gosh. I'm cracked. Ah. Nope. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I did it. I didn't get not a single shot fired. That's actually incredible. Okay. It's a P though. Yeah. Yeah, no, that is what P stands for, pacifist. Because I didn't kill anything. Now, there's a few things we're 100% going to want to get. That's the lobber here. I'll come back for the chaser, but we definitely need the lobber. What actually? There's something I want to test. I've never done this before. Cause I don't. I just know how to kind of general strategies and such. I wonder, because I know the coffee works on air levels, but does the sugar? Okay, we're doing a bit of experimenting here. So we go here, go sugar, as it says. The first prayer move is automatic, so does that mean I can just go, like, that'll be what it is played? Like, it'll just automatically parry stuff? Ah. Ooh. No, I can test it here. Oh, no, I can't. Oh my gosh, I'm not paying attention. It's fine. Nope. we're going back to the map. So that is not how that works. Yeah, it actually is only on ground levels you can use the sugar. A bit of a disappointment, if I'm being honest. But yeah. So we're actually gonna do that boss fight legitimately now. I thought you could just use the sugar to get parries super easily, but nope, you can't. So yeah. Oh, what already? Usually that bullet attack doesn't come till later. What? There we go. Dabbard. Oh, I completely missed. Oh, what? I think I missed that. I died. Well, it's a warm up. Oh boy, this is not gonna be fun. Probably get back here. I'm not getting any hits on him, but like, can I like, yeah, because that's it, no? Okay, that strat actually works. Uh-oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, oh, he shot me. Well, I'm always confused about why he's in a house. Like, I get he's like supposed to be. I don't know what he's supposed to be. I know he's a bird, but he's in a house. Like the mysteries. Oh boy. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. I don't how like goes around the screen, so he's like really annoying. Oh, good, snuck in there. If I did not have the brief invincibility from that, I would actually be dead right now. Come here. Oh my gosh. And then he comes up, I think. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh my. Yikes. Ah. Here we go again. Oh my gosh. What? What hit me? Huh? Ooh. Right off the bat, guns blazing. Oh wow. Oh what? Uh-uh. Nope, nope. Oh my gosh. I'm not surviving this at all. Oh, Wait, you can do that? Oh. Huh. I always thought you had to go back to the main menu to switch. Well, that's what happens when you press random buttons after you lose. Yikes. Also, that just kind of shows how much I don't actually know about this game. I don't know, maybe there's an update or something that I didn't know about, but back before when I first got it. What? Should be dead. Yeah, there we go. Kill the bird. Kill Tweety Bird. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my god, there's just, there's just so much there. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna save the big bomb for that. I'm like, he does that attack again and I almost get hit by it every time. Oh my, I was there too. That's unfortunate. Uh, the music's getting stuck in my head. That's never a good sign. That means I've done this too many times. Ooh. Okay, come on. Okay, just need to play it safe here. That's not playing it safe. Okay. I need at least 2 HP going into that final fight. Oh my gosh, there we go. There we go. Oh my, yes. Oh, they're salt and peppering them. No way they plan to eat a bird as birds. I don't even care that I didn't even get the HP bonus. I don't even care. I don't even care. It's still an A. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Any boss on World 2 with an A, I'm fine with that. Any boss with a B, I'm fine with. Let's go, baby. I'm so happy. That took me 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Like, that actually took forever. I remember my first playthrough, that literally took me hours to do. Oh, I just found that in the mausoleums. You can get back to the center fast. Then that's probably the best thing you can do. Like, just always be in the center here. Because then you can easily go to either side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I don't know how this person has gotten trapped again. Missy says, I don't know. I didn't know that I'd get trapped again. Maybe just don't go into haunted mausoleums. I don't know. Just a word of advice. I'm gonna end it there though. Next time it's yeah. Yeah. That's it next time. Anyways, see you later.